Good morning, students. Hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I, Shahinur Begum, lecturer of Management Department in Milestone College, welcome you all to today's class. Today I will take your business entrepreneurship class. I hope that all of you are ready for your online class. Already I have discussed chapter 5 and 6. Today again I will revise it for your evaluation test. So in this chapter 5, this chapter name is Legal Aspects of Business. In this chapter, there are some important topics. This one is license, franchising, intellectual properties, patents, trademarks, copyright, BSTI, insurance. So I hope that all of you are clear about these topics. What is license, franchising? As you know that in this exam, the MCQ will come. For that reason, you have to read the MCQ. So in franchising, there are how many parties? There are two parties. One is franchisee, another one is franchisor. Intellectual properties. You know that there are some intellectual properties like patent, trademark, copyright, BSTI, insurance. So there is a common question. This is very important for your MCQ. In which day World Intellectual Property Day is observed? The answer is 26th of April. Now let's come to patent. What is patent? Patent is another intellectual property. With the help of patent, the inventor has given a monopoly ownership over his invention. So in our country, which day patent and design law is observed? In 1911. After that, which one come? Trademark. So trademark in our country, Trademark Act is observed or prevailing 2009. And there is a common question, that one is, initially, for how many years trademark registrations is given? For 7 years. This is one question. In this chapter, in these topics, there are another question. That one is, after that, for how many years trademark registration is renewed? For 10 years. Now let's come to the copyright. What is copyright? Already you have memorized, and there is a question, MCQ questions. In Bangladesh, which year copyright law is prevailing? 2005. So there are some important topics. That one is very important for your knowledge based question. There are another topics. That one is BSTI. BSTI, what is BSTI? BSTI is Bangladesh Standard Testing Institutions. This is under Ministry of Industry. And what is the main objective of BSTI? To maintain the quality of product. And sometimes this sort of question come. Which one come? BSTI is under which ministry? Ministry of Industry. In this chapter, there are another topics. That one is insurance. What is insurance? And there are how many types of insurance? There are how many types of insurance? Student, you should remember, you should memorize that insurance are divided into 4 types. What are they? Are life insurance, accident insurance, and fire insurance, and marine insurance. So there are how many types of insurance? There are 4 types of insurance. Let's come to chapter 6. What is chapter 6? Now student, let's start about chapter 6. What is the chapter 6 name? Business plan. So there are some information about what is business plan, process of business plan, identifying the project concept, evaluation of the concept and selection of the project. So there are macro screening and micro screening, submission of the business project report, and BEP. These are very important topics for this chapter. First of all, for the knowledge based, you must learn about what is business plan. Business plan is the chart of future activities, business activities. And process of business plan. There are how many process of business plan? There are how many process? Two process. Number one is macro scanning and micro scanning. What is macro scanning and what is micro scanning? So in macro scanning, there are how many elements? There are how many elements? 6. And for micro scanning, how many elements? 5. And submission of business project report. And submission of business project report is very important for a successful businessman. After that, what is BEP? What is the full form of BEP? Break-even point. What do you mean by break-even point? Where there is no profit and no gain. No profit, no loss. So in that case, where the business there is no profit and no loss, that one is equal. If I prepare a product and my costing price is 1000 taka, when I sold out this product, if I sell it for 1000 taka, that time there is no profit and no loss. In that case, this is called the BEP. That one is break-even point. So this type of question you must learn for your exam, and this is very important topics for you. So student, again I am telling, chapter 5 and chapter 6 is very important topics for you. You have to learn the way I have discussed. I have given some important topics and written over there on the board. You just see this, and you can, if you want, you can write down on your CW copy so that you can preserve it. Because in this situation, when our school will be reopened, I don't know, but by this time we must complete our syllabus. So you have to follow this class properly, and student, you have to write down on your CW copy which one I will give in previous class about these topics. That one also you must write down on your CW copy. And today also again I am telling you must write down on your CW copy, as your exam is knocking at the door. So for that reason, I am not giving any homework today. You just learn at your home the way I told. Today up to this, and see next class. See you soon. Bye bye.